Hey guys, welcome back to episode number 2 of our visit to Cincinnati from a week ago today. If you want to see episode number 1 of this 3-part series, you can check out the video before this one, and of course episode 3 will be after this one, and that should be posted by this Sunday. The purpose of this photo walk was to highlight the Ricoh GR III snap focus feature and the ease of use just walking and snapping at will. The settings used for the photos in this video are 1/400th of a second with an aperture of f9, ISO auto with a maximum setting of 1250, and a snap focus distance of 1.5 meters. As always, please remember to like and subscribe, and I always appreciate the comments, so please feel free to leave one. Now let's join the photo walk. I have an overcast sky today, so we do not have a lot of sun to play with. Okay, I'm going to get the shot of this lady up here in the window, so this can be a stealthy one. Oh, she's gone. That was cool. Let's take a peek at those. I think I've narrowed my 3 clicks down to 2 clicks. I usually just take about 2 shots now. I found that the first shot's always too far away. I don't like those usually, so might as well wait until they get much closer. Again, some of them will not make the frame. That's why I do like the 28mm equivalent. Okay, so you guys go to those are your bikes, not rental bikes. Oh, and now I see the rental bikes around. Those are kind of neat.
No, it was shelter.
I'm sorry.
Watch Mighty Mouse Pack.
So what we're doing here is just walking by, we're snapping. And I'm just hoping that these come out, of course, as always. No matter how many times you do this, you just never really know. You gotta try to, damn, these people over here.
And she has yours from the Gervais. And my friend. And you're with
How you doing? Does it get kind of unsafe around here in the evening or late or anything like some of the cities lately have been? Or anything? Okay, good, good.
I don't think so.
Don't think so?
No.
Well, I just didn't know. I'm not from here, so I didn't know what I was, you know, you never know what you're from Indianapolis.
Yeah.
You know, there's a lot going on in Chicago and all that,
I mean,
but I
it's not
figured.
great, but nah.
Well,
I think
sure.
it'll be okay.
Right. Thank you so much. Good way to get a conversation started. If you can start a conversation, usually you can whip off a few photos. Don't want shooting people at the bus stop though. It's a little. Do they have trains that run on the track there, or shuttles, or
There's a trolley.
how often it? Oh, okay, thank you, sir. You know how often that little trolley comes through there, or whatever it is, the train, or?
It's not working right now
Oh,
because of COVID.
I didn't think I'd seen it for a while. Okay, thanks. That makes sense. could be people down that way. Let's go down that way. I could care less, but there's a question. Is there a Reds game tonight?
Not tonight.
Oh, okay.
It'll be tomorrow.
They're here tomorrow?
Yeah.
Okay, awesome. Thank you. Hey, I think I just found my cover. Here we go. There we go. Should have been using that from the beginning. That wasn't a good reflection. Mighty Mo. Got a woman coming with a dog, so let's go down this way. I believe the windscreen's going to kick in pretty hard here. I don't have the windscreen on, so it's going to be the built-in, so we'll see. Damn, the lady moved across the street. Can I get a picture of your dog? Okay. There you go, buddy. There you go.
Say hi.
Thank you. Oh, that's all right. There we go. There we go. Thank you so much. A little bit. Male or female? Oh, male.
Male. Yeah.
All right. Thank you so much.
Yeah.
Those shots look neat from down low like that. So, thank you. Oh, now I'm gonna smell like dog. Not that there's anything wrong with that. Oh, damn it. Dang it, that would have been cool. Gosh, missed it. Shit. Can I get you to do me a favor? Can I get you to do me a favor?
No, man, I gotta go home.
Okay. There we go. Oh, well. Okay, so I think what I'm going to do here is take a break, go in and get something to eat, and change my batteries, and take a look at what we have, because yep, we're running out of juice here. So I'm going to go ahead and take a break, shut her down. Well, we'll see what we got here first of all. Yeah, we got the guy on the scooter after all. That'll be, not the best shot, but we'll take it. Well, if we didn't get anything, it was a wasted opportunity because there was a lot going on. So we'll shut this bad boy down.